copywriter, a marketing assistant, and someone that would manage the follow-up that you normally have to run your business could easily cost you $5,000 a month. But I'm going to show you exactly how GoHighLevel and AI does all three of those jobs and what it actually costs. So let's start with the math first, because AI replaces a team. We hear that a lot. Everybody's throwing that around. But if you had a part-time copywriter, that could easily cost you $1,500 to $2,500 a month. If you have a marketing assistant part-time handling maybe follow-up, scheduling, things like that, that could be another $2,000 a month. And if you have someone managing all of the automations and doing the back-end touch of the leads coming in and following up, that could easily be $1,000 to $5,000. Now, let me show you exactly how you can use GoHighLevel and AI to replace all of these things, okay? We'll start first of all with the copywriter. So let me share my screen here and I'll hop into GoHighLevel and I'll show you how easy it is to use this. So let me bring that and let me bring this over. Whoops. Okay, I think you can see it. Now, over here on the left, if you go to sites, I already built it, but I'm going to walk you step by step what I did so you didn't have to just wait and watch the cursor. When you are building, or actually, let me just jump back out here for a quick second. Let me start at the very beginning. When you go into sites, I just clicked on Build with AI. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because, again, I don't want you just to watch the scrolling ball here. But when I did that, what I said was I hardly gave it any direction at all. But I said, I want to do a quick funnel for a calculator, told it what business niche I was using, the goal of the funnel, the target audience, and what I was offering. And I mean, I literally spent like 2 minutes on that. Okay. And then this is what it came back with. So let me just bring this back up here. Without like any direction whatsoever. And what's happening with AI lately, just a little side note, it's almost like the less information you give it, the better it turns out here. But I gave it all of the direction, meager as it was, and this is the site that it built. I'll just kind of scroll down so you can see it. It actually built a built-in calculator here, gave me all of this information. Now, I didn't give it any brand colors. I didn't give it specifics on anything. I think this was very powerful, and literally 5 minutes is what it took. And remember, we are replacing our copywriter. Now, is this going to be perfect? No, but instead of, let me come back and look at you here. Instead of starting with a blank slate, at least now I've got a palette that I can start with. And then I can go back in and I can tweak it and I can say, I really want to target this, and this is the CTA and all of that kind of stuff. But just out of the box, literally less than 5 minutes, that's what GoHighLevel built. Very powerful. Okay. Now, step number 2, the back-end automations, all of that kind of stuff. So let me show you how powerful that is. We come back in to GoHighLevel, and over here on the side, if we go to automations, and I'm going to open up an automation. Now, this is a pretty sophisticated one. Let me see what happened to it. Oh. Am I going to be able to find it? I just opened it up. Here it is, automated reply. Now, if you're new to GoHighLevel, don't let this overwhelm you. This is a very complicated, but once you understand how HighLevel thinks, it's easy peasy to get it set up. So you always start with what we call a trigger. And this trigger here is, we've all seen it, where people say, put in such and such a word in the comments. So here, it's just a reminder to actually change what that trigger word is. So mention calculator, and once that gets entered in, what happens? The system will automatically tag that person. Okay, it will respond on the comment, and here are the different responses. You can add multiple ones so that not every single person gets the same message. Thanks, check your DMs, or hey, I just sent you a DM, and so forth. And you can add as many of those as you want. Then the next step, the get confirmation here. And then here is the message that we send them. Hey, thanks for checking out my stuff. Just want to make sure, is it cool that I DM you, so forth. And then it goes into a little branch, because basically people have to respond within a certain time period. for the conversation to continue. If they never respond, we just remove the tag. If they do respond, then we continue on. And if you look at this, we basically sent them an email, and then we send them another message saying, with the first message, hey, cool, what's the best email that I can send this to? We wait, and then we look. Here's just a message reminding us to change all of the little placeholder things here. Okay. Then we send them the email. Hey, thanks for checking it out. Here's the item that you wanted. And we're using what we call a trigger link. And so what that means is we can track who actually clicks on that link. Okay. And then we can send them another message. Hey, here's that thing. And then again, the trigger link. Then we send them the lead magnet. We wait 3 hours. We send them another message and so forth. Let me come back here and look at you for a second. So the automations, the back end work, this is what's so powerful. So we're using a combination of the automations that you can build super easily inside of HighLevel. And the reason this is so important is because, one, you never forget anything. So, we're driving, we're busy, somebody responds to something and you think, oh, I'm going to, I'll check back with them in a few minutes. Then you get busy and you forget. When you build in these automations, everything works like clockwork. And the beauty is, if you get 100 people responding to a post that you have, it's kind of hard to keep up with all those messages. So by building this automation on the back end, it handles everything. And do you see how by putting in some of those variables, it sounds like a real person is responding back. So it's beautiful. Then the third thing is someone who basically manages just kind of what's happening in your business. So let me hop back into HighLevel here. And let me just come back out of the workflows. And along here on the top, if we go to dashboard, now I have another video. I'll try to find the link and post it down below, but this whole dashboard is customizable. So you can edit the dashboard and you can put in any of this information, anything dealing with the contacts, appointments, opportunities, everything. And so in a quick little view, you can see how many new people are coming onto your website, how many people have viewed your funnel. You can even link it to your Google profile, how many people have hopped in on your page and so forth. And again, the beauty is you can customize this exactly for what you need. And mine's been customized here, so you're not seeing everything you normally would. So let me come back here and look at you eyeball to eyeball here. So do you see how just those three things? Okay, so we have a copywriter that's working on the back end, and you can certainly use other AI tools and get it to write your email follow-ups or write the full copy of your sales page or whatever, and then paste it in, or use GoHighLevel with its own built-in AI tools and just go from there. And then the automations, I showed you that. And then that last piece, the reporting manager, and you can actually set up reports that get mailed to you. So like once a week, I get a little email with a summary of what's happening there. So easy. So what's the cost of all of this? With GoHighLevel, you can get started with $97 a month. If you followed any of the videos with HighLevel, this is the engine that runs your business. If you're going to invest any money at all, if you're serious about growing a business, then you should use this, because not only does it give you your customer management relationship, it gives you a place to build all of your lead magnets, gives you a place for your website. You don't have to pay extra money to host these things. You can have unlimited websites, unlimited landing pages, sales pages, all of that kind of stuff. The back-end automations for all of this, I could go on and on. $97 a month, it is a no-brainer. And once your business really grows, then you can add to it by building in even more automations at the next level tier, $297, I think it is. But most people, quite honestly, just out of the box, and I haven't even said things like voice AI, all of that kind of stuff. So what is that saving you? This tool replaces all these extra people, all these extra tools that you're using. And again, it's a no-brainer. Now, if you want help having this set up in your business, or if you haven't started using GoHighLevel and you want to take a test drive, I've got a link for a free either 2 weeks or a month. I don't even know what it is right now, but happy to share that with you. Or if you just want to chat and figure out what is the next best step for you to take in your business so that you can automate things, so you can focus on truly serving your people instead of getting lost in the weeds with all of this technology, reach out. I'll put my booking link down below. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.